Why do people sleep, and why does bedtime sometimes feel easy while other nights our minds stay wide awake? Sleep is not just switching off. It is a busy nighttime job for the brain and body. Think of the brain as a classroom after school. During the day, many lessons arrive at once: sounds, sights, feelings, ideas, and memories. At night, sleep helps tidy the room. It file stamps important memories, throws away extra noise, and repairs worn-out parts of the body. This is why good sleep can help children learn, grow, and feel calmer. Scientists once wondered why people could not stay alert forever. They discovered that sleep pressure builds up, like air slowly filling a balloon. The longer a person stays awake, the stronger the need for sleep becomes. At the same time, the body has an internal clock called the circadian rhythm. This clock is tuned by light and dark, telling the body when to feel sleepy and when to wake up. If the room is too bright, loud, or exciting, the brain may think it is still daytime. That can make sleep harder. Worries can also keep the mind spinning, like a toy top that refuses to stop. This is why a calm bedtime routine can help. Quiet activities, gentle light, and regular sleep times send a message to the brain that it is safe to rest. Sleep has different stages, and each one matters. Some sleep helps the body rest deeply. Some sleep helps with dreaming and memory. It is a bit like a team of night workers, each doing a different job. People often think sleep is wasted time, but the opposite is true. During sleep, the brain sorts, repairs, and strengthens. Without enough sleep, it is harder to pay attention, solve problems, control feelings, and remember things. Sleep psychology helps explain how thoughts, habits, feelings, and the body work together at bedtime. It shows that sleep is not just a pause. It is a vital part of being healthy, learning well, and growing strong.